In this video, I will show you how to send money from Australia to Nepal through Remitly. To do this, go to open up Remitly and first just set your country to Australia, and from there go and set it to Nepal. Now, after doing that, it will then load the Australia to Nepal website. Now just scroll down and see the exchange rate right there and then click get this rate. If you already have a Remitly account, just gonna sign in. If you don't have one yet, just create your profile. It will only take a few minutes. Then after doing that, make sure it's set to sending to Nepal and then click send money. Then here you can go and choose how much you want to send. Now for me it's euro and the Dutch flag, for you it will be Australian dollar and the Australian flag, but these steps are the exact same, so just choose how much you want to send and then click continue. Now for the delivery method, just select how you want the money to be delivered, so you can do bank deposit, cash pickup or mobile money. For this example, I'll go with mobile money. Then just enter the transfer details, so in this case which wallet they use, as well as their first, middle and last name and phone number. Now go and select the payment method you want to pay with. And now you will get the overview, make sure all the details are correct, and if they are, going to pay for the transfer, and then the money will be on its way. And in this case you can see it will deliver within 20 minutes. So that's how you can send money from Australia to Nepal through Remitly. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.